Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Foenix Studio. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to set up my digital bullet journal for 2022. I have been extremely busy for the past 3 months creating new 2022 versions of the digital bullet journals for my shop. The final results are the functional digital bullet journals with over 400 hyperlink pages and with 9 beautiful colors such as basil green, daffodil gold, dusty lavender, dusty pink, gossamer pink, harbor blue, poppy seed gray, skydiver blue, and finally very berry purple based on the Pantone's color of the year of 2022. In the end, I decided to go with the gossamer pink. First thing first, I need to write my name on the first page of this journal. For this overview page, I'm going to use it for the cover page as well as the word of the year. On the right hand side, I am adding the drawing that I had done beforehand using Procreate. I also created multiple stickers with the same theme to use for this setup process. The cover art has 3 elements. The bottom is water, the middle is a mountain range, and on top is the clouds. It represents my attitude toward 2022, adaptable like the water, stable like the mountains, and creative like the clouds. For word of the year, I chose time. I have a lot of thoughts on how I should spend my time efficiently for both work and life without burning out. I am going to fill in the details later on. In this section, I want to dedicate a page listing all birthdays in 2022. I think this spread could help me to prepare the gifts and the dinner parties easier than waiting until the Google Calendar notify me. On the right page is the future log for Q1. I will use the future log calendar template available with the purchase of any digital bullet journal from either the Foenix Studios official website or on the Foenix Studios Etsy store. Each main page, such as this future log page, has 9 subpages, so there are a lot of rooms for any other notes that I might want to add in the future. Next, in my goals spread, my experience for the past year taught me that my goals would not stay the same until the end of the year. New events, new challenges had appeared, and I had to adjust my goals as well as my plans accordingly. Therefore, I think about my goals for 2022 like water, very fluid and extremely adaptable. I divided my goals into 4 categories: personal, creativity, family, and professional. On the subpage of this goals page will be my action plan spread for my goals. I saw these settings on Pinterest and really want to try it out. This page will be for my vision board. I still have very little idea on how to do with this spread. I would need to learn from other YouTubers. On the left-hand side is the graph that will showcase the general numbers of my main 3 financial categories: incomes, investments, and expenses. These finance pages will be used to track financial events that range throughout the year, while those that would happen per monthly basis will be kept track on the finance subpage of each month. On the right-hand side is the mini index that would lead to that monthly finance subpage. Next, in my trackers page, I use a mountain range as the symbol for this page in the hope that I could keep my habit consistently. Similar to the finance page, this page will be used to track habits or events that will span the whole year, while those only last 1 or several months will be tracked on the tracker subpage of each month. On the right-hand side is the mini index that would lead to that monthly tracker subpage. This year, I also want to try out the When Did I Last spread. I think it's interesting, but I'm not sure if I would use it since most of my repetitive events were put into my Google Calendar already. Next is my year in photos spread. I saw this spread from one of Amanda Rashley's video, and I did it in 2021 bullet journal, and I will do it again this year. It's a great way to have a quick glance of the many events happened during a year. This digital bullet journal has 5 extra pages without any designated purpose. Each of these extra pages also has 9 subpages. I will use the first extra page for my Kanban. In the past 2 quarters, there are many things that flipped my plans upside down. Fortunately, the Kanban method that I have been using has helped me reorganize and reblend with less mess than it may be. Hence, I will keep using this Kanban method this year. The second extra page will be used for my project master list. This is one of the spreads that I am not sure if I would use or not. I am considering between using this spread and using the Obsidian's app to keep track of my projects. I took the inspiration for this spread also from Amanda Rashley, combining with the 12-month themes doodles. Even though I'm thinking about using Notion app for planning YouTube contents, I will still use the spread for now. I still don't know how to use Notion, and I don't know when I could start to learn how to use it. The last step of my journal setup process is to add the purpose or title of each spread into the index page. This step will help me to find my notes easier in the future, especially at the end of each year. The icons in front of those boxes are hyperlinks that lead to those pages. I also need to write down on the tabs what those subpages are used for. I don't know if I will use all of these spreads. I just want to have them available when I might need them. that's the end of my 2022 digital bullet journal setup. I hope I will have a complete fresh start at the beginning of 2022. Let's have a tour of my setup on this Gossamer Pink digital bullet journal. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and I will see you all next time. Bye now.